We turned up in the party going crazy. Turning up in the party going crazy. We turned up in the party going crazy. Got all my niggas feeling kinda hazy. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing another unboxing video for y'all. Today I'm super excited. I have the Jordan Retro 4s Lightnings. So yeah, I ordered these from Go, and they just dropped this package off on my porch maybe 30 minutes ago, and I was like, okay, I gotta get this video done for them. And they were $248.04. The regular retail price for these are $150 in grade school. I wear a 5, so my size is grade school. And shipping was $12. Tax was $21.55, and I had some credits used from a previous shoe I sold on Go, which was only $6.51. So yeah, that all brought the total up to $248.04. And yeah, so these, before tax and shipping fees and all that whatnot, the shoe was a size 5. It was $221. And I ordered these on August 9th. It is now Wednesday the 18th. I don't know if you can see it. Whatever. It is now Wednesday the 18th. So it took about 8 days. It didn't take too long. So a little over a week. So that's not too bad. But yeah, I'm just super excited I have them. And I've been dying to see how they look in person. So I'm gonna get started and open them. And yes, I ordered these shoes early off of Go. They come out on August 28th, I think. Yeah, I didn't feel like trying to like cop them from Foot Locker or something, because I never win the raffles, and the bots always end up getting them, and I can't seem to cop, so I always have to just go to Go. I was like, let me get my pair and get them out the way, because I had looked a couple days before I actually purchased these, and they were like $400. Like, the resale price on these were crazy on Go. And then I just happened to come back maybe 2 or 3 days later, and it was down to $221, and I was like, I gotta get them, because I don't want them to go back up, and I don't think I have a good chance of getting them on Foot Locker, Hibbit, sneakers. So I said, I'm just gonna get them off of Go. So I have my knife, so let's open it up. I didn't even open the package. I was like, I'm gonna wait and do it on camera for y'all. Let's get this opened. Let's see. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like from Go. Okay, we're gonna move the stuff. Let's take the stuff off. Okay. Let's move all this out the way. We don't need that anymore. Look at this box. This box though. Like, okay. It's the same as any other Jordan 4 box, but I just like this yellow. It's like yellow goldish. Let me tell y'all the colorway. And yes, I'm reading it online because I don't want to get this wrong. Okay, so the colorway is Tour Yellow, White, Dark Blue. So I guess this is Tour Yellow, the color. So I'm assuming the box is the same color. Yeah, so yeah. Let's open it. Okay, I'm excited to see. So yeah, here's the box one more time. I have a 5. Trying to get it to focus in the camera. I don't know if it's focused. I have a size 5, so yeah, let's open it. As you see, the GOAT sticker. And then you have the GOAT verified authentication and quality control. They just verified everything was, you know, legit. So now we have the paper. Now let's do the reveal. These. pull them out so my camera can focus. Wow, these are nice. This colorway. Look at these. These would have to, I'll have to give these a 10. I'm sorry, these are dope. The colorway is everything. Yes. Yes, this tour yellow is bomb. Here's the inside. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me give y'all another glimpse. Yes, sir. These are bomb. Yes, sir. I'm glad I got these. Just ordered mine because I probably would have been sick to my stomach if I tried to wait till Foot Locker and try to get them, and the retail price would have been up. Went up even more. So, yes. Yes. Here's the other pair. What would y'all rate these? Y'all rate these in the comment. What would y'all rate these? I'm giving these a 10. I honestly think I like these more, this colorway more than the University Blue colorway, because just the little tint of like dark blue with the tour yellow color, like this is bomb. Yes. I am in love with these, and y'all know my favorite color is yellow, so like I have to get these. Yes, here's the bottom. I'm gonna also show y'all how these look on feet. I'm gonna go outside. It's not really sunny outside, but I'm pretty sure like it's brighter out there than it is in here. So yeah, it looked like it literally wants to start thundering and lightning. So yeah, but that's the thing for today, because these are the Jordan Retro 4 Lightning. So yeah, I'm gonna go outside and get y'all some clips of these on my feet so y'all can get like a more in-depth view. Yeah. Okay, these are how they look outside, y'all. Yeah, so these are how they look outside. I would still give these a 10 out of 10. I took 2 L's on sneakers this morning trying to get the Dunk Lows, I don't know the exact name, I think it was the purple ones and the yellow ones. So we took a W with this one. So this was a great comeback. And yeah, tell me what y'all tell me what y'all think about these. I'm gonna put these back in the box because I don't wear my shoes until I take pictures in them, because I'm very hard on my shoes and I don't want to like scuff them up before I get to take pictures in them. So these are going back into the box. So yeah. Okay, y'all, we are back inside after trying these on, and I would have to say again, these are bomb. Please tell me in the comments below, what do y'all think about these? Give me y'all honest opinion, y'all honest review. I want to know what y'all think about these. I would totally recommend these. Please let me know like if you're gonna cop or you're gonna pass on these or whatever. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll be back with another video. So like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll be posting more soon. Thank you. And I almost forgot, y'all, we out.